In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate with Shopify Klaviyo. This connection lets Klaviyo pull key store activity from Shopify, like customer and subscriber data, so you can send more relevant email and SMS messaging based on what shoppers do in your store. First, log into your Klaviyo account. From your main dashboard, find and open the Integrations section. This is where Klaviyo manages connections to platforms like e-commerce stores and other marketing tools. Once you are in Integrations, select Add Integration. From the list of available options, choose Shopify. Klaviyo will ask for your Shopify store URL. Enter the full URL for your store. Then click Connect to Shopify. At this point, you will be redirected to Shopify to approve the connection. In your Shopify admin, review the permission screen carefully, then click Install App to complete the installation. This step is important because it allows Shopify to securely share the right data with Klaviyo. After the app is installed, you will return to the integration settings where you can choose how subscriber syncing works. Find the option to sync your Shopify subscribers to a Klaviyo list, and check that box. This ensures that people who subscribe through Shopify can be added into Klaviyo for your marketing. Next, open the list dropdown and select the Klaviyo list you want those subscribers to go into. If you have multiple lists, choose the one you use for your main newsletter or general marketing. Then click Update Settings to save everything. Now you will enable the Klaviyo app embed inside your Shopify theme. In Shopify, go to Online Store, then Themes, and choose Customize. This opens the theme editor for your live storefront. Inside the editor, locate App Embeds. Find Klaviyo, toggle it to On, and then click Save. Saving is essential so the embed is actually applied to your store. Once this is done, your Shopify and Klaviyo integration is connected, syncing subscribers to your selected list, and the app embed is enabled on your theme. That covers everything you need to know.